One of the reasons why we're doing this, there's a narrative about Chicago about what young people are doing and not doing. And those of us walking, particularly our scholars and alumni, they represent so much of what that narrative isn't.
We are walking 24 miles across the city of Chicago. It's the Pursue Unity Walk.
I think that the whole walk across Western Avenue is a great way to bring together everybody and unify the entire city. It's a perfect example of what Pursue Scholars is all about.
Pursue Scholars has impacted my life by giving me the tools that I needed when I was in college, but also being there for me outside of college.
This event is very much at the core of what we're trying to be about.
Pursue Unity means just coming together to accomplish a goal.
It's the active exercise of giving back and serving to others. That's what Pursue Unity means to me.
Basically, it never stops serving, and we never stop serving other people.
You know, young men and women are going to, they will run the world, and they will change it one way or another. All it takes is a few dedicated people and they can change everything. If our scholars come back and they're good neighbors don't mean doing big things always, do little things. We may have some challenges, but if we're willing to work together and deal with the pain that comes through growing and learning, we can change the narrative about how young people and young leaders are viewed in our city.